If you train yourself to relax through meditation on a weekly basis, you will truly feel the positives, the science-based benefits, such as better sleep, relaxed anxiety symptoms, and reduced stress. All it takes is 5 minutes of deep breathing, good posture, and full body awareness to feel the life-changing effects regular meditation promises. Find a space where you can be alone, or at least a quiet place. Sit on a sofa or a bed, somewhere comfortable. If you have a candle, light it. Light it every time you meditate so you associate the smell with relaxation and stillness. Let go of all expectations. I want you to go into this meditation with an open mind. So lovely people, let's get comfy. I advise you to sit tall with your legs crossed, like me, but whatever is most comfortable for you works. Lie down if you prefer, you just need to have good posture. This will help with the breathing exercises I'm going to get you to do. I need your shoulders to be relaxed and open, your back and neck to be straight. Rest your hands on your legs, like I'm doing so, palms up. Now, close your eyes so you can really focus on your breathing and the sensations in your body. If you are a beginner, you may be tempted to open your eyes, especially for the first minute or two. Try not to do this. The more you meditate, the less this becomes an issue. Practice and repetition is key with meditation, so be sure to join me every Wednesday with a new meditation. I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose slowly. In your head, count 7 seconds. Feel the air travelling up through your body. Now, little by little, exhale through your mouth for 7 seconds. Imagine the air leaving your body as lots of stored up toxic, negative energy. All you have left is peace and stillness. Focusing on your breathing throughout will help you relax and escape into a calm and tranquil place. Sit upright. Your spine should be straight. Feel as if you are constantly growing the taller you sit. Remember, shoulders relaxed and open. Imagine you're wearing a beautiful, sparkly, expensive necklace. Proudly show it off, opening the chest. You are now in control of your body, centered. Remember, breathing slowly and deeply, in for 7, out for 7. Feel your hands slowly sink into your legs. Feel your legs sink into the floor. They are a part of the ground, connected. Embrace the connection you have with the earth. Meditation allows you to observe your thoughts and feelings from an outsider perspective. Your mind and body are separate. Allow yourself to become detached from your emotions. Observe them like you do a stranger. Peacefully sit and listen to your thoughts come and go. Still breathing in through your nose for 7 and out your mouth for 7. Your head may be crowded. That is normal for your first few meditations. Don't panic. Don't fight the thoughts or the emotions. It is normal for your mind to wander. Don't try to shut them out. Just recognize them like you do a leaf in the park, there momentarily. Watch your emotions blow away, like a leaf in an autumn breeze. As they say, out of sight, out of mind. In future, if you struggle to silence the inner dialogue, draw your attention to sensations. Smell. The smell of a scented candle. Taste. The taste of toothpaste residue in and around your teeth. Feel. The feeling of warmth provided by a cozy jumper, a soft blanket, or thick socks, keeping you toasty on a cold day. Feel your body in a state of deep relaxation. Another way to refocus when your thoughts take over is by concentrating on your breathing, counting, feeling your breath move from your belly to your shoulders, through one end of your neck to the other, and up to your head. I am so glad you are here with me today, connecting with your truest self, not the you working at 100 miles an hour, but you at peace. I want you to breathe normally. Feel your breath naturally flow. Focus on this for a moment. Very slowly open your eyes. Let in the light. There is so much beauty for us to see. Take it all in. Notice your environment. Now, go and appreciate the simple pleasures. Your cat purring, your mum or dad's cooking, the cold breeze. Observe the sensations in your body and take a deep breath. Thank you. I hope you're feeling relaxed. I am in a different space, but I did the meditation about an hour ago and I'm feeling very peaceful, so I hope you are too. Repetition is key with meditation. I'm not just saying that to get you back here meditating with me. It gets easier every time. My advice is to meditate in the morning, so around like 9 o'clock or even earlier if you're an early bird, because then you get to feel the benefits throughout the day. But I know people do meditations to help them sleep. I'm going to do a specific one for before bedtime meditation, but I personally prefer to meditate right before I start my day. Set a time to do once a week meditation, because it really does have some amazing benefits. You can look them up online. Please join me. I'm here every Wednesday with a new meditation for experienced meditators, but also for beginners. They're all guided. Every Friday I do a chatty video. Sorry, there's a dog right here. Oh, she's been really lovely. Every Friday I do a chatty video about any of the below listed now. I'm a very curious person and I love to chat and be silly and stuff, so if you want to see me doing all that, it's on a Friday. So, gosh, this dog is licking the hell out of my hand. And it will just